Guys, good morning. Let me tell you about today's plan. The vlog is coming out probably in the evenings because one vlog came late. I'll try and get it up in the mornings itself. So slept early yesterday, got up at around 7:38. All set. Today plan to go to this falls called Nipli Falls, that is near Siddhapur, and then visit my friend's resort in Talgopa Road. It's called the Laika Resorts. So we're taking everybody out, whoever is there in the house, to a resort and showing them the place since it's a Sunday, no? So it will be a nice outing for everybody. So my beard looks good actually. Sorry. So yeah, that's the plan. Man to head out early, come back early. So more or less that's the plan for today. Probably try and show you new places, the falls and all that. I wish I can squeeze into one temple on the way somewhere. Let's see. Hello guys, all set for today. Heading to Hanuman temple now because it's Guru Purnima today. And funny, I was in Sirsi last year at the same time for Guru Purnima. So awesome. So we're going to Hanuman temple now and then probably head out. So first Bhagwanji, then something, everything. This is palau and curd, palau made by Ushaka. Came to the temple. They said Hanuman Jayanti. This temple here. Finished the Hanuman temple. Came to have a few snacks here, Adi and Unnati. We're very hungry. Hello guys, I'll be uploading the vlog by evening today because yesterday also uploaded in the night. So by evening I'll upload. Alright. Started heading to this falls now. Everybody's sad time is around 11:45. Coconut plantations as well as coconut plantations. This is everywhere. This is the scene here. Two cars are coming behind. I don't know where they are. Technically, we missed the route. So that is Mani's car. This is Sandesh's car. Wherever Mani went, Sandesh followed. Wherever you go, I follow. What was that ad? I forgot. Vodafone? Vodafone, yeah. He's pug. This is Nipli Falls also, apparently. Stopping here. It's raining too much. Apparently there's some entry fee and all that. Falls looks like that, apparently. The falls, but unable to get down because out of 3 cars, only one, that is me, has got an umbrella and raincoat. Felt bad?
I think he felt bad.
This is Nipli Falls. That is apparently the waterfalls. People are playing there. Hosur Nipli Falls. Hosur Falls and Nipli, right? Area is Nipli. Where's the dam?
Yes.
How do you go there? You can cross this, sir. Are you sure? So guys, this is the falls. Too much of water. It's too crazy. Apparently there's a dam that side. Can't cross this. difficult.
ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ಬರೋಣ ಇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ
There Uda flow must as right. So apparently going to some dam area. I don't know how he's going to cross this though. There's so much water. So you have to cross it there. I don't know whether that's going to happen. That's where we are parked. That's the parking. There's so much water here. I don't know. Doing some daredevil stuff. Wow. This is the dam. Where is the dam? This is the dam. Oh, nice. That is there. People are there. Where is it? That side. Oh, there. That side. Okay.
ಹೊಸ ಮರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ಬೋದು
Oh, okay.
ದಾಟ್ಬೋದು ನಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ದಾಟುವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ
Look at him, daredevil trying to do something. This is the crossing the water from there to here. Very, not that deep. See if you can see ahead. So just going that side and coming. Just came from that side. If you can see this, there's one stone here. On that you can come. The force is little too much this side. Otherwise it's peaceful. Came here. This side, risking it. Show you guys the place. This is a dam. Huge dam. That's the water that is being flown here. Sandesh bhai, Mr. Mani bhai. Hello, he says. Super excited. I love the energy. It's very nice.
Have you been in this dam?
Huge.
Must enjoyment.
Eh? So this is Trixmada mara. Vlog al barate. Bada. Hey. This is the gate. If he opens this, people will get washed away there. Don't do it.
Wow,
It's crossed and came this side. And yeah, don't come without without a local person, without permission. Don't come. Mani has taken special permission because they are all locals here. So if you parental guidance is very much required. So please, if you come here, contact Mr. Mani. He'll catch hold of you guys.
your safety first.
Safety first, huh? Don't do this. Please don't try this at home. Crossing is a pain, so just be very careful here. Come, enjoy and go. Rainy season is dangerous. Hey, dam in the middle of the water. Mani is helping me cross. Our local boy chilling. You be careful. Reached this so-called falls. Heading to the resort now. If it's raining like this, I don't know. This is Husur Falls apparently.
ಮೇಲೆ
So this is the resort. This is the dining area. Everybody is here. These are the bigger rooms. There are the small rooms that's it. I'll show it to you later. The pool area and all that. There is one more here in this closed area. The restaurant eating side. You guys wanna, whatever, if you guys wanna come here and stay, this is like 5 kilometers from Jog Falls. So you can take my name and come. It's a friend's place itself. So once it is, it's all set and ready, so it will be totally worth it. I'll show you the pool as well. Food is amazing. So So whenever you guys want, you can DM me, or I can give you all the details. I'll put it in the description box below. Amazing. I'll show you the location as well, rooms as well. I'll show it to you. Oh, everybody is chilling and eating. Weather is awesome. Good food coming. Bunch of food.
Jains don't even eat.
The heavy discussion happening. Rimple is
Jains.
Jains.
talking about Jains.
Their food not done.
Chicken 65. This is how it is. Whether it's raining, if you guys can see closely. Yeah, now it's proper. It's a forest. That's the entrance to the resort. Here is for a convention for open weddings. That's the resort. Heavy rains everywhere. So good. Damn nice. Spring roll veg. Egg 65 and 350. With the rain. Okay, video is on. See, until unless it's a dark background, you can't get it. That's why see here, when you zoom here, in the dark background you can see it. Photography classes to Mr. Aditya, and he asked something, So go to nature's call. You wanted to go? Okay, video. Sorry. Nice it is, huh? Very good. Garlic noodles, and this is veg hakka noodles. How is it? Okay. Chicken hakka noodles.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೇಡ ಲೇಡಿ
ಹೌದೌದು.
Sandesh is trying to.
ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಇಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಏಡಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಹಾಕಿ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
So that.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ,
Okay.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈಗ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಕರುಳು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಕರುಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಕರುಳು ಇದು ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್, ಚಿಕನ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್.
ಚಿಕನ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್, ಕೋಳಿ ವೇಸ್ಟ್.
ಓಹೋ, ಓಕೆ.
बहुत खराब स्मेल है.
ಯಾ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್.
ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ.
Oh, this is so that it doesn't get washed away. Extra.
This is ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ.
Shouldn't flow away. Yeah. This is adding the bait. Mani is saying, Mani is giving some this thing to make the trap ready.
ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಬರ್ತದೆ, ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ತಲೆಗೆ ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡ.
ವಜ್ಜ ಬಂದಿದ
ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ವೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸುಮಾರು ಕಲ್ಲಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Adding more stones so that it doesn't get washed away in the water.
ಇದು ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
Just kept the bait inside.
ಈಗ ನಾವು
And now-
ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕಾರಣ ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏಡಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಏಡಿ ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಏಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Oh wow.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಮುಚ್ಚಳ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏಡಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Nice, very good.
ಏಡಿ ಹಾಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬನ್ನಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್.
ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ
Spot.
But it's all having an electric fence, you can see that. So, going to keep it here.
Okay.
ಸರ ಹಾಂ ಜಾರು ಸೇರ್ತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
After an hour and then it will be done. So this went past the fence. So checking it after an hour, probably.
ಏಕೆ
ಫೈನಲ್ चलो पकड़ दिए मुझे। एक एड़ी एकदम पूरा खत्म होता है, गड़बड़ जाता है। तो पड़ा ना कैसे स्टार्ट करता था 1 2 3 स्टार्ट कली कली
एक सेकंड
अरे हंचन काढता
Hello guys, just done with the swim, done with the resort, going back now. Time is around 6:20, so we just caught a crab. I've just shown a picture of it. This is the crab here. So as you can see, this caught it, very beautiful it looks. Scary as well. Fish also.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಾ ಸೂಪರ್
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
In the pool, he'll be doing this. We'll be like dumb. Hello guys, this guy cannot see this, it seems. I think he's little blind guy. Brain eating. Just ordered black coffee and I just had a chai now. This Gangotri place, yeah, perfect now. And heading to, it's almost 8 o'clock, heading to Sirsi. It will take us probably an hour. There are two more cars coming, so just waiting for the folks to walk in. It's raining. This is like madness. I was technically born in this hospital here on top, if you can see. I don't think you can see anything, but yeah. And it's like pounding, not raining. Can't see shit. Somehow, guys came driving all the way. Oh, one crazy incident happened, okay? We witnessed something, so I will tell you soon. Now once I reach the place, now I'll tell you. It was scary.